I probably look like I just woke up, right? It's because I did. It's early in the morning, like 6 o'clock. I'm just waking up from the rest stop in Kentucky someplace. The things that we do for the cars, the car people, the car community, the car guys, man. So of course I just bought the Range Rover, I think last week. And I did get a set of temporary wheels because the factory wheels that were on it were terrible. They had to come off immediately. So I did go, I actually drove to get these. I drove to, where was it? North Carolina, South Carolina, one of those Carolinas to pick these up. Like the week that I bought the truck, because the factory ones were just so bad. But I knew the whole time that those were gonna be a temporary set of wheels. I knew I was gonna find something that fits my style better. These are more like a aftermarket replica wheel. It's a 24-inch, but it's an aftermarket replica wheel. And it's really on the for the older style Range Rover. So I don't know. I didn't feel right with these on here anyway. I like how it looks though. But this just isn't it. I found a set of ADV1s through my guy Tyler. Tyler's a cool guy. He's also into cars. He does a lot of YouTube stuff. He has a really nice car collection. We'll check his collection out when I get there. Of course, car guy stuff. Travel all over. Like I had to drive to Virginia Beach to get the wheels for the Ferrari. And how ironic is it that this is also going to be a set of ADV1s and I'm traveling up in the same direction to Ohio to get these. I think it's going to be cool that both cars have ADV1s though. Tyler has the ADV wheels. And we're gonna take the old factory wheels off. We're gonna see what they look like first. I think it's gonna look good.
This one not factory. This one aftermarket.
Aftermarket, 24 inch.
Factory style. Yeah,
right. The factory style is 22 inch. I think 20 inch and 22 inch.
Yeah.
And this is 24 inch.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Go Jim. So you want to see the wheels?
See? I mean,
But
yes. I'm thinking Spanish.
How many cars you think? 3 car garage. But how many cars you think?
How many cars I think?
Yes.
2, 4. It can't be more than 6. 2, 4, 6.
But 3 car garage.
Right. You got a lift on all 3?
Yeah.
Let's see what comes out. I'm sexy and you know it. I gotta pull the camera out. This is the one.
That's the one you're looking for?
Yes.
I don't know why the Aventador, the price go up.
I don't want to hit this. Would it go all the way up?
Yeah, they hit.
I didn't even know you had this.
You know, only 300 now, come on. The Demon. Like the Hellcat, but the engine is different. That's the Demon, yeah. See the wheel?
ADV1s.
Yeah, that's the one you're looking for.
This is what we're here for.
So it don't throw you off. I'm explaining to my kids to look at all these nice houses. Is all. No offense, nothing. Just look
That's
at
okay.
these houses and look at these nice cars. That's well within jogging range for us, because we actually stay in Springdale. And if you don't show your children bigger and better stuff, then
Absolutely.
they don't know
Absolutely.
that that's bigger and better stuff.
Absolutely.
That's all. And I ride past the street every day. I go to,
See, no time. Look, I do the firework a couple years ago, still in here. Cannot get it out. Still in here. The firework.
He took the car all the way through Europe, you guys.
Yeah. So
That's this one.
maybe next year. Next year I bring the Aventador to Vietnam, overseas. Yeah. You have to pay a lot for shipping.
How much is the shipping?
From here to France back, 11,000.
Oh,
Yeah. To Vietnam, I don't know, maybe cheaper. Yeah, we have connection in Vietnam because I'm Vietnamese. On the, on Gallardo, we don't need to put that yachts. We
Right.
just do the straight pie.
Right.
Easy. So here the 430 is good area.
Mhm.
Yeah, not the regular one. The yacht very mean.
and the Porsche Turbo.
Yeah, Port Turbo, 911 and a manual. Very hard to
Has
find
to be.
now.
Has to be manual.
Yeah,
And then he has the GTR here
yeah, the GTR, yeah.
on HRE wheels.
And I will look. So I show you the lead. I hate SRE. I don't know if they hate me or not, but they keep leaking.
That one's leaking too?
Not, you don't see leak, but it's. Look at the tire. You never see the tire. 375, 20.
That's so wide.
21.
That's wide.
So wide
Mhm.
and low.
We need ADV1 center caps.
ADV center cap. They don't have it, but. Cái tí dắt ra tiệm anh tí thưởng cho cái pedicure. Eric, you like it? Yeah, yeah. See, thưởng cho cái pedicure nữa.
The chair
See.
feels so good.
Yes, he rolled 7 hours come here for his pedicure. Yeah, yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Right.
Cái người làm pedicure là người Phi á. Đó, thợ Phi, người Philippines.
So we're gonna get ready to take the Aventador out. ADV1 wheels.
Only 75, 80. Yeah, 70, yeah. On the road only give us 35.
This is what Tyler wants. Swipe it, Tyler. Show the people. Taking off the Toyos to put the Pirellis back on. Look at this jack matching the calipers.